How to add shop button on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Instagram. So you do need to have a business account to be able to add the shop button. So click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on the three bars at the top right corner. And then click on Settings. Click on Account. Scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on Switch Account Type. If you don't have a business account, you'll see Switch to Business Account option. Click on that and then you'll be able to switch to a business account. Once you have a business account, come back to your profile and then click on Professional Dashboard at the top. Under your Tools section, you'll see Shops, so click on that. Now first you have to set up a shop. You'll be able to add a shop to your profile. You'll be able to tag products in your post and get insights about your shop. So click on Get Started and then go ahead and enter your business contact email address and then click on Next. So follow the prompts. To learn more about setting up a shop, go back. When you're back on your profile, click on the three bars at the top right corner, click on Settings, click on Help Center, and then type Add Shop on Instagram. Click on the second option of Set up a shop on Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you don't have a Facebook business page or catalog yet, you can create both when you set up your shop. If you already have a page and catalog that you want to use for your shop, then you must have full control of the account. To make your shop visible on Instagram, you'll need an Instagram business account. And your business account must own the Instagram business account that it's connected to. Now, if you only want to sell using Shop on Instagram, you don't need to create or provide a Facebook business page. So to create your shop, go to the Create Your Shop page and click on Next. You can choose a checkout method and then click on Next. You can choose if you want to sell on a Facebook business page or if you want to sell on Instagram. Choose your account and then click on Next. You have to select the catalog that you want to use for your shop and then click on Next. To select a catalog, it must meet the catalog eligibility requirements for shops, and you can't switch this catalog later. Once you look over your shop details, review and agree to the seller agreement and then click on Finish Setup. You can manage your catalog to add any products that you want to sell. You can control which items appear in your shop. You can create a collection, a group of products that you want to feature in your shop. You can customize the look and feel of your shop. And then you can publish your shop. People will be able to see your shop once Instagram has reviewed and approved your collections. Once your shop is created, the shop button will be available on your Instagram profile page. So this is how to add a shop button on Instagram. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.